idea is almost entirely based on an intrusive thought that I had. So we'll see how this turns out. It's probably gonna be a lot of chaos, but I feel like I'm returning back to my roots. The girl who once decorated her Christmas tree with washi tape. This is the energy that we're trying to achieve right now. Hi guys, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my channel. So recently I've been making it my mission to spread a public service announcement, which is to use your stickers. And yes, I'm talking to all of you guys out there with sticker anxiety who save your stickers and think they're too pretty and cute to use. And the reason why I know you're out there is because that's me. I'm her. Growing up, I definitely was the type of girl who saved all her stickers. I had a little sticker collecting book where I organized everything by shape and size, and I never stuck my stickers anywhere else. But recently, as an adult, I've been trying to heal the perfectionism and heal the sticker anxiety, and I've been forcing myself to use my stickers in my journal spreads more, and it's been really great. I mean, stickers are fun, but the intrusive thought that I had the other day was, what if I just used all of my stickers? I know that sounds kind of crazy, and when I first thought of this idea, I was like, there's no way I'm gonna do this because my stickers are my prized possession. But I feel like I almost have to do a little bit of exposure therapy, and maybe this is just my extraness where I'm like, I need to do something 100% or not at all. So to prove myself how dedicated I am to the mission of getting you guys to use your stickers, I am going to use all my stickers. Another purpose of this video is for me to show you guys my entire sticker collection, but instead of just showing you the sheets of stickers or whatnot like a normal person, I'm actually going to use all of them. And I actually do have a good reason for doing this. I think you guys know I have a lot of stationery in this room. This is my office, and I'm gonna be honest, a lot of it doesn't get used. This is just because as a stationery creator, one, I get gifted a lot of stationery, I buy a lot of stationery, I make a lot of stationery, I literally have my own stationery brand, so it's just physically impossible for me to use all of the stationery I have. Of course, I love giving away my stationery. I give away stationery to my friends, to you guys. I've done so many stationery giveaways, but honestly, there's still a lot. And since we're heading into spring, I thought that this would be a good way to spring clean through my sticker collection. And you know, if we're being honest, make space for me to buy new stickers that I want to buy. So first of all, where will I be using these stickers? This might sound crazy, but I have this big white roll of paper here, and my vision is to roll this out on the ground and make a huge mural of stickers, or at least as big as I can make it. And then here's where I feel like I really cooked. I'm going to scan the little sticker mural, and I'm gonna use that as like journaling paper. You guys will see what I mean when it all comes together, but just know my goal is to fill quite a lot of this with stickers. Now, the rules. Of course, I have so many different types of stickers, so I personally right now will only be using the sticker sheets that I have. So not any big individual vinyl stickers, because honestly I actually don't have as many of those, but I do have quite a lot of sticker sheets. Number two is, will I be using the whole sheet? So I made a rule for myself. If I don't think I will ever use the sticker sheet on a journal spread in the future, I'm going to use the whole sticker sheet on my little mural. But if I do think that I'm gonna use some of those stickers in the future, I can just use a couple of the stickers on the sheet for the mural. But I still have to use them. So we're still gonna get through my whole collection, but I just, you know, I'm not that crazy, okay? I still want to save some stickers for me to use in my journal. Those are the rules for me. I don't know how long this is gonna take, but it should be fun. I'm gonna start by setting up the paper on the ground, and we'll get started. This is going to be our canvas today. I don't know how much space I'm gonna need, but I'm just gonna get started. I know I said I wasn't going to use any of the big individual like vinyl stickers, but I'm going to allow myself to use my own brand because I have to. It says sticker anxiety. It's like perfect for this project, and you know, gotta represent. So I do have some other big sticker designs. I only have 6 of these big stickers in this collection for Shop ARL, so I feel like I'm allowed to use them. I mean, I make the rules and it's my own brand. So these are the ones that I'm gonna start with because they take up the most space. This is currently how I normally store my stickers in my office, just kind of like this, so I can flip through them all, but there's no really organization to it. So I'm just gonna go through all of them and use the ones that I don't really want. I'm trying to spread out the stickers that come from the same sheet so that it just keeps looking a little bit more chaotic instead of, you know, one sticker sheet in different areas. So we're just going random right now. I've emptied out my first sheet. done. So these ones I actually really thought were cute, so I'm gonna save the rest of this sheet to use in my journal spreads, but I put some on the mural. I'm slowly realizing how long this is gonna take. This definitely might be like a couple day project, which I don't know if I planned for this. We are committed, so we're just gonna keep going. Also, by the end of this, I'm going to show you guys which sticker sheets I ended up completely emptying out and which ones I ended up keeping some. This one pains me to use, but we must follow the rules. So I'm gonna put one of my Pom Pom Purr and Sanrio fuzzy stickers. This one's so cute. There are certain sticker sheets like these where I know I would use some of them in my journal, like this dog vacuuming is so cute. But there are certain other ones that I'm not the biggest fan of, like this giraffe and some of these random ones. So I'm just using the ones that I know I won't use in my journal. And then stickers like these where there's just a lot of duplicates. I mean, I really like the style of these stickers and I probably would use them, but I definitely wouldn't need as many as this. As you can see, I've only used like 3 of them so far, so I'm just gonna keep some for myself to use for my journal and then use some of the duplicates on here. And then there are sticker sheets like these, which I've already used quite a lot of, and I know I made a spread, you know, a pretty distinct spread using these stickers, so I'll just use the rest of them on here. And same with these, like these are beautiful, but currently I don't really journal with stickers like this, so this is the perfect place to make use of them. Of course, we have to use some more classic Shop ARL sticker sheets. These ones are actually fully sold out now. We've been selling them for a while and I am retiring them this year. So this is actually probably one of the last few sticker sheets that I have of this collection. Okay guys, midway check-in, I have gone through this many full sticker sheets. Of course, I did end up saving a bunch of sticker sheets as well. That's my pile over there for journaling. And I just put like 1 or 2 or 3 of those stickers on the mural. But I feel like we've made really good progress. I feel like I'm spring cleaning my closet. It really does feel like I'm Marie Kondoing. And at the very beginning, I had a little bit of a moment where I was like, oh, do I really want to do this? And I almost gave up on this video idea. But I pushed through, and actually as I've been sticking these stickers on, it's been getting easier and easier to let go of certain stickers. Of course, some sticker sheets I actually have sentimental attachment to. Like maybe I got them when I was traveling, or they're characters that I have nostalgia towards, so I keep those ones. But all in all, it's really been healing, and I feel like before I saw it as letting go or wasting my stickers, but as this mural becomes bigger and bigger, it almost looks like an art piece to me, so it's becoming easier to use the stickers because it feels like they're being put towards something greater, the greater cause. It's not so much letting go of stickers, it's more like putting to use and transforming and creating, and I think that's kind of beautiful. Hello, okay, we are day 2 in our little sticker project. This has been set up in my office and I've just been walking on stickers every time I enter my office, so I'm gonna try to finish this up today so I can finally get this off of my floor. Every so often I would come in here and stick a few more sticker sheets in, but nothing really major in terms of progress. I actually think I'm getting close to the end of my sticker collection, so I'm trying not to start any new little chunks and kind of trying to fill up the empty areas. So hopefully we can get most of it done today. This is what we have so far. I guess for scale, this is my hand. But yeah, quite a lot. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys how I've been determining what to keep and what to use on the mural. So this sheet was actually a sheet full of breakfast food items. It was about half used. A lot of the little stickers that were unused were things like this little peanut butter sticker, which I'm allergic to peanut butter, so I know I will never use that in my journal spread unless I somehow get an allergic reaction to peanut butter or something. But the rest of these, like, I know I'll use a coffee sticker at some point. I thought these butter stick pink stickers were cute too, and these bread ones. So this one goes in my pile to keep, but the rest of them I stuck on here. Since I make stickers, I have a lot of half-used sticker sheets from when I'm sampling the sticker sheets that I'm making. This one is an upcoming sticker sheet that I made of little Fredberts, my little character, and you can see I tested out some of them, I've used some of them, but you guys know I couldn't make a little sticker mural and not have my favorite Froggo boy included. So we're gonna use the rest of this little Fredbert sticker sheet on this mural, which by the way, I think these will be launching end of May. There's a really exciting launch coming. I'm so excited. I've been working on this launch for almost 2 years now, I think. So I'm so excited for it to happen. You guys aren't even ready, okay? This is something I don't know how much I can say, but just know that something really big is coming, and it may or may not have to do with Fredbert. Getting close to the end here. I filled up a lot of the empty spaces, but I don't have any more sticker sheets left. I can't believe we did it. After 2 days, we finally did it. I used every single sticker sheet in my sticker collection. This was quite a fun project, actually. I don't know what I was hoping to get out of this. Honestly, I just kind of wanted to see what it would look like if all my stickers were on one big page. And also, you know, sort of heal that sticker anxiety, which I think we definitely did. By the end of it, I was like, you know what? Let me just use these. And I think it turned out great. So these are all of the emptied out sticker sheets that I used. Quite a lot of them. I just counted through the empty sticker sheets, and we have about 59 fully empty sticker sheets, so we really did cut down on the collection a lot. And then these ones are the rest of my sticker collection, which I only used a few of them on here, and I ended up keeping them. It was a lesson and an exercise in restraint and also in cutting down and cleaning out, and I don't know, maybe I'm in my minimalist sticker collecting era. I think this will really help when I sit down to journal, because sometimes when I sit down and I know I have so many stickers in my collection, I just don't end up using them because it's kind of like out of sight, out of mind. I just honestly don't know what I have. But forcing myself to like flip through every single sheet and think about what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep has really given me almost like a file folder in my brain of what I have. So this is what's left. Pretty cute. And let's get some final shots of my little sticker mural. Okay guys, so I'm gonna wrap up the video here. Is there a moral of the story? 1, use your stickers. 2, follow your intrusive thoughts, because I honestly had a blast and I felt like I was a kid sticking these stickers all over the place. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll probably end up like scanning this somehow or taking a picture and cleaning it up and making it like a poster. Maybe I'll make it like a phone wallpaper for you guys to download. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Keep doodling, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye! Guys, this is the behind the scenes of making a thumbnail.